Here we have the Back Cove 34. It doesn't have a full enclosed steering area. It's got the soft back, if that's what you want to call it. But it's the smaller version of the 39. Still a beautiful boat though. And this would be for twin engine outboards. Plenty of aft cockpit area. As you can see, you do have a bimini. It snaps on. It doesn't close the rear area. Twin Verado 400s on this one. Beautiful white. Verado 400s on it. And that beautiful white, classic look. Beautiful boat.
Okay, so this is the Back Cove 34. Probably a little too small, but I did want to get on it just in case we decide to do a for now boat. I don't think I'm going to walk up here. It is a little bit narrow, and I'm not talented enough to, I think, hold the camera and handle that. So it's got a soft back, the canvas back, but he said that this is your security. It closes and obviously locks, so you can put all your personals. But here we go. So for the 34, oh, nice little kind of companion seat to the helm so that I can be super comfortable and read a book while the hubby steers and does all the hard work. Alright, you got your thrusters, bow, stern, I don't know, we'll have to ask. This opens up, you can stick your hand out, but you're not stepping out. Kitchen, I'm not sure, I don't think it's induction, but it's got a little 2-burner. Nice little round sink. 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. We have our little microwave. This, he said, actually flips. The seat flips so that it faces and becomes part of the dining area. AC works really well. Gonna step down. I think it's a 2-part head. Over here we have the cutest, smallest sink I have ever seen in my entire life. And then on the opposite side, we have a separate shower, which is actually really nice for this size boat. The bedroom is small, and there really is not a lot of storage. We have this, we have a small hanging locker. I believe this may be your control panel. But since they have please do not open drawers and lockers, I'm gonna leave it alone. Pillow's really cute. Not that that's part of the boat. Maybe a little book or magazine shelf, and then we have, again, another little, and they look actually pretty deep. So, alright, we do have, it looks like a nice drawer under there, maybe, I guess 2. And I'm not sure if this lifts up. So not much storage. Got a couple little lights in here, and then you've got portholes in your, sorry, you have your escape hatch if you're much smaller than me. So But this is absolutely not bad for a nice weekend. And again, this does lock down secure, even though it's got the canvas backing. It does absolutely secure down. And then we have, we have plenty of freezer and fridge space for a few days out. So this would actually be very comfortable.